Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to stop announcements quickly. First, confirm your AirPods are connected to your iPhone and unlocked. This ensures you adjust the live settings. Open Settings now and tap Notifications, then find Announce Messages with Siri. It's where iOS routes spoken notifications. Once done, make sure you're viewing the correct device profile if you use multiple AirPods. This immediate access avoids restarting or digging through accessibility later. We'll change the toggle and refine behavior in the next step. Now change the announcement behavior. If you want no spoken notifications, flip Announce Messages with Siri off. That stops all voice reads to your AirPods. Alternatively, tap Announce Notifications and uncheck Apps one by one so only essential alerts speak. This keeps priority messages while silencing others. If you prefer partial reads, choose Announce when using AirPods or adjust Siri's contact settings so only messages from recent contacts are read. These finer controls let you balance silence and awareness without losing importance. Finish by testing your change. Send a message while wearing your AirPods and confirm nothing is announced. If you still hear speech, disconnect and reconnect Bluetooth or restart your iPhone. Temporary caches often block new settings. Make sure Focus or Do Not Disturb isn't re-enabling announcements via linked automations. If nothing works, reset your AirPods from Bluetooth settings and repair. That clears persistent quirks. One troubleshooting tip: check each device signed into your Apple ID. Another iPhone can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.